Hello and welcome. Today I'll explain you how to get more likes on X. Okay, so you want to get more likes on X, then here's the deal. First of all, you have to keep all your posts short and catchy, because honestly nobody is stopping on X to read your long essay while they scroll X feed. And while words matter, visuals matter even more. So here, do not be scared to add some kind of picture to your post or video, because that's always what grabs people's attention. Now, when it comes to hashtags, actually less is more. So just use 1 or 2 hashtags to your post so that it still shows up in people's searches, but do not overdo it, because this way it will look like those spammy type of posts. Another big thing on X is engagement. So if you are on X liking, replying and retweeting other people's stuff, there is a high possibility that they go to your account and they like your post and they basically engage with your post. And also here the timing is super important, because if you try posting in the morning or, for example, in the evening, when people are actually online and they scroll feed, you will see that you will notice basically the difference. And do not be afraid to ask some questions in your posts, or also you can add some polls. So just because I have my picture on my post, so if I delete it, you will see this icon, and if you tap it, this is basically a poll. So do not be scared to use that, because people on X love to interact, and every comment or every single vote that people tap here will give your post more visibility. And finally, you can pin your best post at the top of your profile. So let me show you how to do it. I need to go to my profile picture and then access my profile and go to my posts. And next to post that I want to pin on my profile, I have to tap 3-dot button. And here you will see an option to pin your post. So since this post is already pinned on my profile, I see option unpin from my profile, but you will see pin on your profile. Yes, and this way anyone who will visit your profile page, they will see your basically best work first, and that's usually a guaranteed like. So yeah, if you put all of this together, you will definitely see those likes start creeping up. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.